Hey guys, let's make jerk salmon pasta. Okay, we have 2 salmon fillets. We're gonna season both sides with some all-purpose seasoning. These are pretty thick fillets, so I'm gonna be generous. And then followed by some jerk seasoning. Press the seasoning in both sides. Okay, we're gonna do the marinade. In a bowl, we're gonna do about 3 tablespoons of this jerk seasoning, or jerk paste, whatever you wanna call it. Gonna add a little bit more because these salmon fillets are pretty big. Okay. Follow that up with some allspice. Some thyme leaves. And some lime juice. Mix the mixture up. I know it doesn't look like much, but trust me, this is amazing. It's done. Place the salmon in the marinade. And then we're gonna let this marinate in the fridge for about 30 minutes. All right, so I'm boiling up some pasta water that I've heavily salted. All right, gonna add some butter to a pan. And go some veggies I've sliced. Season it up with some all-purpose seasoning. Followed by some allspice. Bacon seasoning. Some jerk seasoning, sorry. And then a little bit of that jerk paste. Throw in a little garlic paste and some ginger paste. And about a tablespoon of flour so we can thicken up our sauce. And in with a cup of heavy cream. And a cup of half and half. That, bring to a boil, and then simmer it until it reduces. Okay, I've taken the sauce off the heat. Now I'm going to add some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Okay, now that the cheese has been well incorporated, I'm going to add my pasta to the sauce. I've nicely coated the pasta. In the meantime, I'm getting my other pan prepped to finish off the salmon. Okay, now we're searing the salmon just for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to throw it into a preheated 400-degree oven to finish off. And there we have it, jerk salmon pasta. delicious.